So now let's try rationalizing using some conjugates. So this first example, I've got -2 over 2 plus square root of 6. What's my conjugate? Well, it's going to be 2 minus square root of 6. So we'll multiply minus square root of 6. The top I'm just distributing. So -2 times 2 is -4. -2 times -√6 would be positive 2 root 6. Then I'm going to multiply my conjugate. 2 times 2 is 4. Root 6 times -√6 is -√36, or 6. Then we're going to simplify. 4 minus 6 would be -2. And this is another thing we always have to pay attention to when I'm dealing with conjugates, is I need to just check, can I divide both of the coefficients up here by the number on the bottom? In this case, I can. So 4 divided by 2 would give me 2, and it's positive because they're both negative. 2 divided by -2 is -1. Tack on that square root of 6, and that's my final answer. Again, if you would prefer to just do double distribution for your conjugate, that's totally fine. It's not a big deal. Taking a look at our next example, what's my conjugate here? Square root of x plus 7. So we're going to multiply by that on both the top and bottom. Double distributing up top, 4 times square root of x is 4 root x. 4 times 7, 28. Root x times root x would just be an x. And then root x times 7 would be 7 root x over x times x is x. Root x times positive 7. -7 times root x. -7 times positive 7. Okay, now we're just going to simplify what we can. These guys are going to cancel. Up top, I'm going to have some like terms here. So 4 plus 7, 11 root x plus x plus 28 over x minus 49. That's going to be as simplified as this one gets. Moving on down, we got a couple more here. My conjugate this time is going to be 8 plus root y. Double distributing up top, I've got 8 times square root of y. Square root of y times square root of y would just be y. -4 times 8, -32. -4 root y. On the bottom, I have conjugates, so 8 times 8 is 64. Square root of y times square root of y, -y. Looking to see if I can simplify. 8 minus 4 is y minus 32 over 64 minus y. Okay, one more. My conjugate over here is root 2 plus root 5. Double distributing up top, I'll have 5 root 6 plus 5 root 15 minus 2 root 14 minus 2 root 35. On the bottom, we're going to have root 2 times root 2, which is 4. Root 5 times root 5, which gives me that root 2, that should be 2, sorry. Okay, now looking for things I can simplify. I can't reduce anything up top. All over, 2 minus 5 is 3. There would be my rationalized version. Okay, and that is everything for our lesson.